Are you asking yourself these questions? How am I going to turn my dirt into soil? How am I going to deal with this sand or this, impenetrable clay? How am I going to have the best garden ever? How am I going to create soil that will create incredibly nutrient-dense plants that will feed me and my family? This Kickstarter campaign is about demystifying soil science, about spreading the amazing soil solutions. The questions you have are the questions that I have. How do you make this easy? How do you make it fast? How do you make it not so hard on the body? How do you make it so that this is just a day-to-day thing that we can teach our kids, that's safe, that's effective, that's powerful, that's life-changing, that's culture-changing? And that's what this really is about. This is not about going to some crazy, weird level of in-depth science. It's about making it an actual action and behavior that we can pass on to our kids, that we can teach to our community, that can be part of our education systems. That's cited, that's scientific, that's safe, and that's really powerful. I'm Matt Powers. I'm an author, educator, gardener, seed saver, and family guy, and I've written many books, over a dozen books in the past 5 years. I've done several Kickstarters, and it is because of those Kickstarters that I've been able to do my work. And I teach people all over the world how to live more regeneratively. I'm working with Professor David Montgomery. He's the author of Dirt, Erosion of Civilizations, The Hidden Half of Nature, and many other incredible soil books. And I'm partnering with Dr. Elaine Ingham. She's one of the leading experts on soil in the world. I'm partnering with Dan Kittredge, a soil expert and farmer on the East Coast and creator of the Bionutrient Meter. I'm working with all these people and more to get to the bottom of this, to get down to the root of what is true, what is real, and many things that we know, that we think about, that we think are just set in stone, this is the tradition, just really aren't that way at all. And that's okay, that's what reality is. That's what science is. We're always finding new things out. We're finding that the leaves on cauliflower and broccoli have higher nitrogen levels than legumes. So if we companion crop with these things, we start breeding for leafier cauliflower, we start using plants in new and interesting different ways, unlocking nutrients through new pathways, taking out toxins and remediating soils in new fungal pathways. There's new studies, there's new breakthroughs, we have new science. So that's what we're diving into. I'm talking with experts from all over the world to get to how we can make this a habit, make this part of your garden, make this a part of your kitchen, make this a part of your household, make this part of your black water, your gray water, all of your systems. And then maybe make it your business, your community. All of it can partner with soil. And that's what we're going to get into, because permanent cultures are what we're all about. And educating K through 12, collegiate through adult, educating everyone on how to live regeneratively is what I'm all about. So please join me, join us in supporting and backing this campaign. Permaculture, Soil Science and Solutions. The book, back the course, back the intro course, because if none of this makes sense, I'm speaking foreign language to you, but you want to understand, we're going to have an introductory course. Check out that on the rewards. You can actually get all the information you need to understand all this and then go to that next level with the more advanced course. We've got everything you need to get started. Your kids, your whole family can take the intro course with you. You can help them through the rest of those other courses. This is possible. Everyone can be part of it. So if you want to dig deep into permaculture, soil, science, and solutions, back this book, back these courses, join us, join the soil revolution, because it is the linchpin in our climate, in our environment, in our food, in our health, and in our civilization, in our future. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And back this campaign. Thank you so much.